Let me define what I call a girlfriend. Yup, she been mine for about 2 weekends. I'm only 16. That means it's
Hot R&B teenage group Mindless Behavior is getting ready to release their second album All Around the World on March 12th. It features the single Keep Her on the Low. We spoke to the group's Prodigy, Princeton, Ray Ray, and Rock Royal about the new single, which some think is about a man having more than one woman.
Keep her on the low.
Well, basically, you know, we're getting older. We're 16 to 17, and we're starting to date and talk to girls. And basically, when we get that girl, we want to keep her on the low from everybody. Keep our personal life to ourselves. You don't want everybody knowing about your relationships and things like that. And that's what really inspired the first single.
We also asked them how it compares to the last album.
Our fans are growing up, and we are as well. So we wanted to show everybody that we're not just little boys that sing and dance. We're artists. We're young men. So we wanted to incorporate that into our new music.
Mindless Behavior looked to have a big release as they have a rabid fan base. They took home the Viewer's Choice Award at last year's BET Awards.
I ain't with her. That means I'm on my own.
A whole lot of your self-opinion's kinda